The crypto market is facing major volatility as Bitcoin struggles to hold key levels. Cardano secures a new partnership with Globant, and Trump's trade war creates uncertainty across global markets. Bitcoin is experiencing bearish momentum, with ETF outflows exceeding $650 million and the Fear and Greed Index dropping to a multi-month low. Meanwhile, Cardano's price has surged following news of a major partnership with Globant. But will it be enough to push ADA into a long-term breakout? At the same time, Trump's proposed tariffs on China, Canada, and Mexico are shaking up global markets. The crypto industry lost $2 billion in value on the day the announcement was made, and inflation concerns continue to delay potential interest rate cuts from the Federal Reserve. Will Bitcoin recover? Can Cardano's new partnership lead to real adoption? And how will Trump's trade policies impact crypto in the long run? Let's break it all down. Bitcoin price at risk? Bearish outlook as MVRV and Fear and Greed Index drop. Bitcoin remains stuck in a tight trading range, hovering around $97,600 as market sentiment turns bearish. The Fear and Greed Index has fallen from extreme greed levels of 90 in 2024 to a fear zone of 40, indicating declining investor confidence. One of the main reasons for Bitcoin's weakness is the recent decline in demand for spot Bitcoin ETFs. Data from Soso Value shows that institutional investors have been offloading BTC, with over $650 million in net outflows recorded in the last 4 days. These large ETF redemptions are increasing selling pressure, making Bitcoin more sensitive to broader economic factors and liquidity fluctuations. Who's to blame for Bitcoin's stagnation? Bitcoin is facing several macroeconomic headwinds, including high inflation and Federal Reserve policies. The latest CPI report showed inflation rising from 2.9% in December to 3% in January, delaying potential interest rate cuts. Geopolitical risks and trade tensions. Investors are worried that Trump's proposed tariffs on China, Canada, and Mexico will fuel economic instability. Market uncertainty and investor fear. The drop in Bitcoin's MVRV Z-score to 2.49, a 3-month low, signals that the market is entering a key accumulation phase. Bitcoin's technical outlook remains bearish unless BTC can break back above $108,440, invalidating the double top formation and regaining bullish momentum. If Bitcoin fails to hold support at $89,055, the next key support level is $73,613, suggesting a potential further decline. Trump's trade war, tariffs, recession risks, and crypto volatility. Over the last few months, the crypto industry has celebrated a shift toward pro-crypto regulations in the US. However, despite this optimism, macro factors are now having a greater impact on crypto than ever before. When Trump announced new tariffs on China, Canada, and Mexico, the crypto market lost $2 billion in value. Some analysts estimate that liquidations exceeded $10 billion, making this drop worse than the FTX collapse. Bitcoin recovered from $92,000 to $100,000 when Trump postponed the tariffs on Canada and Mexico, but quickly fell to $96,000 after China retaliated with its own trade measures. How could these tariffs lead to a recession? 1. Tariffs increase the price of imported goods, making products more expensive for consumers. 2. Consumer spending drives 68% of the US economy, meaning a drop in spending can slow down economic growth. 3. Job losses could rise, with estimates suggesting a 0.25% job loss in the US and up to 3% job losses in Canada and Mexico. Meanwhile, gold has surged to all-time highs, with investors seeing it as a safer hedge against uncertainty compared to Bitcoin. If the US continues to escalate its trade war, we may see higher inflation, which could force the Federal Reserve to maintain high interest rates for longer. Recession risks in Canada and Mexico, which could trigger global economic instability. More volatility for Bitcoin and crypto, as markets react to shifting trade policies. Cardano price surges after Globant partnership and VIP meeting speculation. While Bitcoin struggles, Cardano, ADA, is gaining momentum, reaching $0.80, a 10-day high, after Charles Hoskinson announced a partnership with Globant. What does the Cardano-Globant deal involve? Globant, a $10 billion publicly traded tech company, will use Cardano's blockchain to build decentralized applications, dApps. The partnership includes AI-powered applications and enterprise adoption efforts. Globant's client list includes major corporations like Walt Disney, Nissan, and Royal Caribbean, opening the door for Cardano's blockchain to be integrated into real-world applications. Hoskinson's upcoming VIP meeting. Could it be Elon Musk? Charles Hoskinson has teased an upcoming VIP meeting on March 1st, sparking speculation about who the mystery guest might be. Possible candidates include Elon Musk. Could Musk's influence push ADA adoption? Donald Trump. Will crypto regulation be discussed? David Sachs, a key player in AI and blockchain policy. Why it matters. If a major figure endorses Cardano, it could fuel a strong rally. Hoskinson has a history of overpromising, so investors should wait for concrete results. If Cardano gains real-world adoption through partnerships, ADA's long-term potential strengthens. Cardano technical analysis. Can ADA rally to $2? Cardano is currently testing resistance at $0.80, a key breakout level. 80 is supported by the 50-week moving average, suggesting strong long-term support. If the Elliott wave pattern plays out, Cardano could rally to $2, a 155% increase from current levels. However, if ADA fails to break past resistance, it may consolidate before another move higher. What's next for crypto? With Bitcoin facing bearish pressures, Trump's trade war escalating, and Cardano making new moves in enterprise adoption, the crypto market is at a pivotal moment. Key takeaways. Bitcoin is under pressure from ETF outflows and macroeconomic risks. Trump's trade war could impact inflation, interest rates, and market stability. Cardano's Globant partnership and VIP meeting could drive renewed investor interest. What do you think? Let's discuss! Will Bitcoin recover, or is more downside ahead? Is Cardano's new partnership a game changer? How will Trump's trade war impact the crypto market? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto insights and daily updates.